What is category style? Category style is a powerful feature in GIS that allows us to visually represent different categories of data using colors, shapes, or icons. It helps us organize and distinguish various types of information on a map. Category style maps are helps to categorize any data like various educational sector. By studying these maps, we can gain knowledge about the position of different educational sectors like school, college, university with different icons. Now, you may be curious about where to easily conduct such analyses. No worries, let's introduce MAPOG, which is the tool we need for this. Now, let's explore how to apply category style to represent various education sector using MAPOG map analysis. Open the MAPOG map analysis interface. Navigate to Add Upload to incorporate educational institution data. Select Add GIS data and choose the country of interest. Enter the country name first and select the educational institution point data to add. Now we incorporate category style for better interpretation. First, access style data from the menu toolbar and choose category style. Select the layer first and then select the option of icon or circle for styling. For this particular use case, select icon for better understanding. Now choose the attribute Categorize the data based on different educational institutions or sectors. Customize the icon and set its size. After customization, click Save Style. Go to Action button from the layer, then switch on the Label feature. The final map is now ready for interpretation and analysis. It displays various educational sectors, including schools, colleges, universities, music schools, and kindergartens, each represented by distinct colored icons for clear identification and interpretation with the help of category style. Our map caters specifically to the education sector, aiding educational institutions, urban planners, and policymakers in better understanding the distribution and accessibility of educational facilities within a region. Category style through MAPOG map analysis, you can create visually stunning maps like this for various projects. Let's explore MAPOG map analysis for more possibilities. Thanks for watching. Contact us at support@mapog.com for further assistance.